Good morning, children. Welcome to the online class. We'll continue with chemistry lesson water, page number 62. Purification of water. Water is cleansed in the water work to remove impurities and germ present in it. Water is cleansed in the water works in the following way: sedimentation and decantation. Water from rivers or lake is collected in large tanks where it is allowed to stand to settle down and the bigger particles of suspended impurities in it. The process of setting down the impurities of water by standing in large settling tanks is called sedimentation. In settling tanks, sometimes even a chemical is added. The speed up the process of sedimentation. Pure water is thus collected by decantation. Filtration. After sedimentation, water is passed through layers of gravel and sand. While passing through these layers, fine particles of suspended impurities are removed and water gets filtered. Chlorination. After filtration, water collects in the chlorine tank where the chemicals, generally chlorine, is added to the water to kill germs. After passing through this process, the clean and pure water is collected in large storing tank from where it is pumped to our homes for drinking and other purpose. Cleaning water at home. Water is in the well is made potable by putting a few crystals of potassium permanganate into a well. Potassium permanganate kills the germs present in water and makes it safe for use by human beings. Water obtained from waterwork is generally clean, but sometimes, especially during rainy season, the tap water may not be clean enough for drinking purpose. This may contain impurities and germs suspended in it. This water can be cleansed at home by boiling it for about 10 to 15 minutes. The boiling of water at 100 degrees kills germ. After boiling, the water should be filtered for drinking purpose. Water purification. The water purifies use ultraviolet light or other germs color for killing the germs and filtering the purities. Conservation of water by rainwater harvesting. The water table is continuously lowering down due to excessive utilization of water. This can be prevented by effective pre-location of rainwater into the soil. This is rainwater. This is called rainwater harvesting. In this method, a pit is dug in the soil ground. This pit is filtered with layers of bricks, coarse gravel, sand, granite pieces, and soil. When it rains, water is stored in this pit. Saltiness of seawater. Rainwater is the purest form of water. When it falls, it dissolves many substances. At many places, rainwater, while passing through layers of soil and rock, dissolve a large amount of soil. Such water is called saline water. Seawater is the maximum impure water. How does the seawater become saline? Rainwater, after falling on soil, flows through streams and rivers into seas. Rivers bring water containing dissolved salt and mineral into the sea. The sea water evaporates and falls again as rain. During its journey from the river to sea, it gets dissolved more salt and mineral. As a result of it, the seawater continues to get salts and mineral. Due to this, it becomes saline. The water that we drink daily at home has 1 to 2 grams of salt per liter, but 1 liter of sea water has about 35 grams of salt in it. Due to its saltiness, it is not fit for drinking, that is, it is not potable. Even many plants do not tolerate salty water. Thus, we see that saline water is not suitable to plant. Hence, it cannot be used for agriculture purpose. It cannot be used in industrial industries also because it causes metals to rust and corrodes them. Corrodes them. Distillation. Desalination. Where only saline water is available and non-potable water is available, desalination of sea water provides pure water. The process of removing the dissolved salts from the saline water is called desalination. Desalination is done by distillation process. but distillation water is not potable since it is dissolved vital chemicals for the body. It is mixed with some salty water and then used for drinking. Hard water is the water harvest having salts of calcium and magnesium dissolved in it. It does not form lather with soap. It is not suitable for drinking and for industrial purpose. Usage of salty water in pipeline, vessels, boilers, etc. deposits soil in the inner surface of the container. It deposits as scales which coats the inner surface of container. Boiler coated with salt coat may tends to crack or burst. These salts are removed by dissolving them by dilute acid treatment with hydrochloric acid or nitric acid. In industries, hard water is softened by passing through special material called ion exchange resins. There are many salts present in seawater. Common salt, sodium chloride, NaCl, is obtained from seawater. Other salts present in seawaters are sodium barium, magnesium chloride, potassium iodine, etc. Potassium iodine salt present in seawater is essential for our body. We use iodized salt in our food to avoid goiter, which is a disease caused due to the shortage of potassium iodine in our diet. So, children, we will end here. We'll meet in the next session. Thank you, children.